Antifungal drugs. First is amphotericin B, referred to as AMB. Mechanism of action. This is the cell wall of fungus made of beta glucan, and this is the cell membrane made up of ergosterol. This is amphotericin B, which binds to ergosterol in the cell membrane. So the amphotericin B along with ergosterol in the cell membrane forms pores through which there occurs leakage of ions, amino acids and water soluble substances. So this drug is fungicidal, that is, it kills the fungus. So the amphotericin B binds to ergosterol, forms pores through which there is leakage of ions, amino acids and water soluble substances. Antifungal spectrum. It is effective against Candida albicans, Histoplasma capsulatum, Cryptococcus neoformans, Aspergillus and dermatidids. Pharmacokinetics. Amphotericin is never given orally. It is given only by intravenous infusion. It has poor CNS penetration and the T-half of amphotericin B is 15 days. The drug is excreted both in urine and in bile. Side effects. The amphotericin B is highly toxic. Acute reactions called as infusion hypersensitivity. These are chills, fever, pain, nausea and vomiting, which can occur in 2 to 5 hours. This is due to release of cytokines, interleukin 1 and TNF alpha. Long-term effects. The drug can lead to nephrotoxicity characterized by azotemia, decreased glomerular filtration rate, acidosis, hypokalemia, bone marrow suppression leading to anemia. It can cause CNS toxicity on intrathecal injection. Uses. Topical use. Oral, vagina. It is used for cutaneous candidiasis, systemic mycosis and leishmaniasis. The drug of choice is amphotericin B. It is also used for resistant Kala-Azar, mucocutaneous leishmaniasis as drug of choice. Febrile neutropenia. Here it has empirical use as intravenous. If the fever does not respond, then bactericidal antibiotic is given. Next is echinocandins. Mechanism of action. The beta-glucan synthase, which is used for the synthesis of beta-glucagon, which is a part of fungal cell wall. This enzyme is inhibited by echinocandins. Examples of echinocandins include capsofungin, micafungin and anidulafungin. Capsofungin. The mechanism of action. They inhibit the beta-glucan synthase complex and hence lead to weakening of the cell wall. Pharmacokinetics. They are not absorbed orally. Therefore, they are given intravenously. They does not enter CNS because they do not cross blood-brain barrier, and they are excreted via urine and feces. Uses. They are used for deep and invasive candidiasis and aspergillosis. They are less toxic as compared to amphotericin B. Next is griseofulvin, the pharmacokinetics and mechanism of action. Griseofulvin is given as oral tablet which deposits in keratin forming cells like skin, hairs and nails. This disrupts the fungal microtubules, so it inhibits mitosis and so it is fungistatic. Use. This is used only on dermatophytes. Next class is azoles. This can be remembered by a mnemonic E-MIC of VK. E for iconazole. M stands for miconazole. I for itraconazole. C for clotrimazole. O for oxyconazole. F for fluconazole. V for voriconazole. And K for ketoconazole. Mechanism of action. The lancosterol is converted to ergosterol in the cell membrane with the help of enzyme lancosterol 14 demethylase. This is inhibited by the group of drugs called azoles. So they are fungistatic. They are broad spectrum antifungal drugs. They are acting including dermatophytes. Main drug is ketoconazole. Adverse effects of ketoconazole. Suppresses the androgen release leading to gynecomastia, hair loss, loss of libido and oligozoospermia. It also decreases estradiol synthesis leading to menstrual irregularity. It is a microsomal enzyme inhibitor and it also has many drug interactions. Uses of ketoconazole. It is used as lotion or shampoo in case of seborrhea of scalp and dandruff and pityriasis versicolor. Next drug is terbinafine. Mechanism of action. Squalene is converted to L-A-nosterol which is then converted to ergosterol. So squalene is converted to L-A-nosterol by squalene epoxide which is inhibited by the drug terbinafine. So this is fungicidal. Use. This is used against dermatophytes and it is a drug of choice for onychomycosis. It is also used in Tyria pedis. Thank you.